This is the roots, this is the stem, these are the leaves, and these are the flowers.
Where are the flowers?
They do not have flowers. This is interesting. Some seeds remove easily, and some seeds did not remove easily.
It grows through the style, and then the sperm cells from the pollen grain fuse with these eggs, and the eggs will be fertilized. We call this process fertilization. The potato, not a root, but a modified stem, because the internal structure is similar. An onion bulb is not roots. Since it is a leaf-like structure, we call it a modified leaf. Since one seed contains two cotyledons attached together, we call that seed a dicotyledonous seed or a dicot. But in the other case, the case of the maize, this does not split because it has only one cotyledon. One cotyledon does not split, of course. Such a plant is a monocot or a monocotyledon.
These are the sepals. These are the stamens. This flower has 4 stamens. A stamen has a filament and an anther. The stamen is the main reproductive part of a flower.
Good.